Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my new videos. Today I am going to talk about uh, memory management and education model, which is chapter 9 of our JavaScript tutorial. This is part 9. Uh, uh, from part 1 to part 8, I already uploaded video. You can go and check it out. And uh, let's move direct on content without delay. First, I am going to fix this, which helps you to see properly. Okay, I think it is better. Let's see. Today's topic is memory management and education model. Uh, let's see what is memory management and education model. Uh, JavaScript has a mechanism to manage memory and execution of code. Understanding this helps you write efficient and bug-free code. Okay, uh, we should learn because it helps us to find bug of our code. Memory management is important to learn. Let's see. JavaScript automatically allocates memory for a primitive value and reference value. Uh, Primitive value means I already talked about it, but again I am going to explain a little bit. Primitive means copied by values. Uh, in primitive there are many types: number, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, begin, and in reference there are object, arrays, function, dates like that of data types. Uh, Reference values means copy by address, primitive by copy by value. This is the difference between reference and primitive data type. And let's see here, let x is equal to 10, which is primitive, stored directly. And this store in stack memory. And let y is equal to name Hari. This is a reference value which is stored in a memory because this is object form, so it stored in reference value. Okay, uh, so we can see real life analogy. Primitive value means small item in a box. Reference value means big object stored in a warehouse with a pointer to access them. This is a real life analogy. I already discussed about it, so uh, I don't uh, explain more about it. So let's move another topic, which is garbage collection. Garbage collection means unnecessary object or unnecessary code removed from the memory, which is also called automatic memory cleanup. JavaScript automatically removes data from memory when it cannot be reached anymore. Uh, this is called garbage collection. And let's see, uh, let obj object is called to name Hari. Obj is equal to null. Here is previous object is now eligible for garbage collection. Okay, uh, and this is the garbage collection. Analogy: cleaning or decks remove item you no longer need. Memory is freed. Okay, this is garbage collection. And next, move on execution model. In JavaScript, use single-threaded synchronous execution. Okay, code execute line by line, not all, and code execute line by line. Uh, Use execution context to manage variable and function calls. Uh, and next one is education context, environment where code runs. Education context means that type of environment where uh, code runs, and here each context have variable environment, lexical environment, this binding. Uh, in variable environment, this store variable with variable means which store value. Okay. Mm, here variable in environment means store variable means store value, and a variable environment means store variable. Okay. Lexical uh, environment, this is determines scope chain, and this binding refers to the object context. Here we can see example, and let's move here. Next topic, which is called stack. JavaScript keep track of function execution using stack, which is LIFO. We can uh, we can remember it by calling LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. Okay, stack memory rule is last in, first out. Uh, this is the example of call stack. Here, call stack sequence: first function push, second function push, second function complete pop, first function completes popped. Analogy: stack of pellet. Last pellet added is first remove. Okay. Last pellet added. When we add pellet, last this remove first. Let's see real example. Here is some book and copy I have. I added one copy here, and second, and this is last. I added the last book here. This book added here last, but if I want to remove, I should remove first, which is I put here last. I should put last added book first. Okay, then after this, and then after this. This is the sequence of stack memory called stack. Heap memory. Heap memory stores object array function dynamically and managed by garbage collector. Let's see quarks, command pitfalls, memory leaks, keeping unnecessary references. Let array is equal to uh, empty bracket. uh, arr dot push array. Circular reference memory may not freeze. Okay, in quarks this not freeze. And global variable, let's see, always store in window object. It always store in windows object, harder to freeze memory. Global, let's see example, var global var is equal to 10. This is global variables example. Another one is cursors, closures, uh, prevent variable in memory. Uh, this is the example of closures. And let's see, this is all of our chapter 9, memory management and execution model, which is short and not very important. That's why I didn't explain more. Let's see practice question. There are many practice question. You should practice them. And let's see summary of our chapter 9. Memory primitive value stored directly, reference value stored in heap. Uh, Primitive value stored directly in stack memory, and a reference value stored in heap memory. Okay. Uh, it it is copy by primitive is copy by value, and reference is copy by address. So, and next one is the garbage collector. Freeze unused memory automatically. Garbage collector means, and Education context mean environment of code execution. Call stack means manage function called LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. Heap Heap means store object dynamically in heap memory. It store object dynamically, and that's all of chapter 9. So and that's it for today. I will come by bringing next chapter of our tutorial, which is part 10, chapter 10 of JavaScript. So uh, today's that's enough. So bye bye.